Hey YouTube, this is DNL Machine coming at you with another video. Help keep you out of the jello pudding. This is a 2005 Passat. I think it's called a B5 or something like that. Anyways, inner door handle, pull cable that attaches to that handle right there. That little piece, see that little skinny piece there, broke, so now it won't stay inside the door panel anymore. Here's a new one, Amazon, 20 bucks for two. And you see that little skinny piece there, right? Be careful, don't break that when you take it apart. Now you might think you need to remove all the wiring, all the everything, and the such as, and the everything. You don't. Get the inner door panel off, get these bolts out, pull it off, carefully get this out of that hole. Then only these two screws on the end of the door, okay, your triple square. Just take one out, take them both out, pivot this out of the way, pry this out of there, and then this little head right there has to rotate, I assume. Come out somehow. But anyways, here's the other end of that head. Okay. And you see how it's got that shape to it? So it goes in like that, rotates, catches. I'm gonna need two hands to do that. So I hope this video helped you. Stay gold.